Okay, this is a quick overview of our Xero add-on. That's for version 2 and version 3. Version 4 update currently in progress. That's a version 2 here. So you pretty much set your general settings where you need to enter your consumer key, your consumer secret, which you generate in Xero. Now you can decide whether you would like to have any order directly pushed into Xero or scheduled. You can also decide whether you would like to push the customer information along. That means if a customer already exists with that name and email address, the purchase will be assigned to that customer. Otherwise, he will be created. However, you could also specify, for example, to set up one customer, which is online sales, and assign every order to that particular customer. So the next settings then would be under administrators and Xero settings. So here basically you set your default account settings. If you use these, then you can override all manual settings and reset everything. So these are the default settings where you basically, it fetches all the accounts from Xero. So that's from a demo Xero account. So you then assigned the appropriate account for product income, for sales, for the shipping cost, for payment surcharge, for gift certificate, and for promo codes. Furthermore, the next setting then is the text settings. So Xero text settings. The default country is the country you have your shopping cart set to. So in our case, that is Australia. So you choose your text code, and you choose your international text code. So everything within Australia is GST on expense. International text type. So the last feature now is basically the payment settings. So here you can specify for each payment method whether the invoice should be pushed through to Xero and whether a payment should be created for that invoice. So for example, for checks, you do not want to create a payment automatically. You want to just push that invoice through, and they would be pushed through as draft. That is a Xero status. You could then you create the income account. If you create payments, you can do that either in your normal bank account, or if you have a lot of transactions and you use PayPal and so on, you, for example, could also use a clearing account there. And you can basically do that for any active payment methods. Okay, that was a quick overview of the Xero add-on by Vorsprung.